Oh, Cornelius.
No!
Hey, Fly River. You're all warm right now.
Two projects at once here, right, Hector?
Yes, senor.
Look at the colors on that. Come on, buddy. We're home. He was all buckled in.
What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. It is great to open it up here at the PC farm. Finally. It's been a couple uploads, like over a week since I've uploaded a video here at the farm.
Hello, little piggies, or should I say big pigs. Look how big the hog is getting. And of course, Coon, big old ears.
Duck pond still in the works of that project. I think we're gonna be doing something very soon.
How's everyone doing on this
Dark afternoon.
Got a little bit of a corn mix in their meal today. Every once in a while I spice it up with some whole corn. Go! This is just an afternoon snack.
They had already eaten dinner, so they should be full. But you know, pigs don't stop eating.
Hey, Lady May. We got Lady May. Of course, Mang goes over there in the distance, waddling over. Goats! Hey, Boots. What's going on, Boots? Come here, King. Scratch your head. There you go. Oh, you're jealous?
Run on over here. Gotta update you guys on everything. It's been too long.
Emus, hey, what's going on, buddies? I did get them a kiddie pool.
If you follow my Snapchat, I post daily on my Snapchat. Y'all know that I got the emus a kiddie pool.
The emus are doing good.
Now, if you guys have been following for a while, you remember when the 3,600 gallon was actually set up. It is still not back together, but that's because I'm waiting on the engineer still. It's been like 7 weeks. Once we get the approval from the engineer that this is good to go, we're permitted and everything, we're gonna get liner, get new wood, get new fish, and this will be kick-started back up to 3,600 gallon. That's a project coming within the next couple of weeks.
Building time. Let's go on in.
I think I'm about a week or so out on the heater as well.
Leo the chameleon actually has his own name tag now. As you guys know, this enclosure is epic. You're all warm right now. You were hanging out in the light. I think Leo is at least twice the size as he was, and his colors are just popping. I know a lot of you love the chameleon we have, so here's an update on him. He's doing fantastic. He loves his enclosure. See, he does not want to leave this area. Got a table in here, of course, pool. Hey, Fly River. What's up, buddy? Getting big on us.
Big old baby gill right here. I am not even getting any further into this, hence why you haven't seen any videos on it. We did the one building video, and I'm not getting any further until that is completely done. Heater, filled up the water, running. Don't want to start another project without finishing another, if that makes sense. So that's gonna wait a little bit longer.
All the goldfish from when we rescued them from the pond are looking so much better. Nice and healthy now, eating. Mata in the corner. Cornelius! Where are you, buddy? Oh, Cornelius. Cornelius, hey buddy, you were so deep in the mulch I barely could find you. No! Mulch. There you go, bud. There it is.
A nice meal for Cornelius. Everything is going good in here. I appreciate y'all for the patience on the whole farm, my animals. I'm sure you were missing them. Now that I've updated you on lots of the things here at the farm, it's time to get today's video started. Let's go. It is the next day, and first things first, remember we split up the pigs. So we have Babe on this side and then the two males on this side. That's the split fence right there. We gotta make these pigs right here a house. So Hector's here and he's banging out this quick pig house. So just like we built every other pig on the farm, as you can see, Babe's got one over there. Far across you can see, Goat's got one. Lady May. At this point, Hector has mastered building these houses. This is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is like number 7. 7. And not including the old farm. So while Hector builds that, we're going to the fish store to get a new fish. 2 projects at once here, right, Hector?
Yes, senor.
Look at the colors on that sucker. I love them. So everyone's been getting me cichlids lately for the cichlid pond. Thought to myself, I gotta get myself a nice big cichlid. So that's what we're doing today. I wanted to get like my own cichlid. I think all the fish in that pond were provided by other people. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Nick bought me like 30 something. Griffin bought me 2.
Blake.
Gio got me 1. Blake got me 1. I have never bought a cichlid for myself. So this guy is named Cuffaro. Right there. That's him. And his name's Cuffaro because he represents the one we got, you know, as a team. So Cuffaro, you're coming home with me today. I'm about to net you out. Well, not me. Someone's gonna net him out. Maybe me. Oh my goodness. That boy is quick.
Got him.
Boom, baby. got our fish. That was probably the quickest and most simple trip I've ever taken to the pet store. Finally got a cichlid of my own, Cuffaro. Let's head home. Put him in the cichlid pond. And then of course we got to update on the pig house and a couple more things. Let's do it. Come on, buddy. We're home. He was all buckled in. Well, we just got back with the fish. They finished the pig house. Now the pigs do have a home. When it rains, storms, whatever it may be, pigs got a house. I'm excited to set this up. This is actually going to be inside the office of another business that I'm starting up. It's a car business, like window tints and PPF and ceramic coating. I love cars, and I decided I wanted to open up something else. I'll obviously show more on that when that time comes. We'll be making videos for this channel on that in there. Come on, Cuffaro. Absolute stallion right there. Beautiful, beautiful, big too. The acclimation process begins. After acclimation, it's now time to put our fish in. Do it, little buddy. Now the colors of him out of the water is gonna be just beautiful. Come on now, it doesn't get much more pretty than that. Got a big old stomach too, might be a little babies in there, I don't know. Maybe. Blue face, that blue face. And they got some good teeth too. All right, buddy, here we go. See you later, homie. There he is! Look at the other cichlids. They're like, oh my gosh, we have a new partner. I love the variety in here. There's so many different colors and species of cichlids in this one pond. Probably like 40 fish. Lots. Mango! Oh God, you never know whether he's dead or not. He faces we just got done putting the fish in, and Mango is literally just laying flat on the ground. I thought he was dead. Mango, I'm sorry to wake you up, buddy. I'm so sorry. He won't even look at us. He's like, dude, you just woke me up from the deepest nap of my life. Fish is in, pig house is built, and we still got stuff to do. It's impossible to build in this place. Oh, little baby can't be hitting that little. I think it's time for the goats to get a little expansion, but it's gonna be a different type of expansion. Right, little baby?
Boots, come on, bro.
They kept moving this thing. Now with those screws in, they should not be able to. They are goats. They can move things that should not be able to be moved. We just drill it in right there. Come on. Come on. Boots. Come here. Oh! Oh, he's on the plank already. I haven't even finished it yet. Boots, it might break on you. I'm not gonna make any. Oh, she's breaking. Oh yeah, that ain't going nowhere now. I don't think I have anything for this to connect to. Lots of drilling in today's goat process. This is just a day on the farm. What can I say? We're making things for the goats. Oh my goodness. Boots, why are you such a stud? I think he just loves his dad so much that he wants to find any way to him. It's not even connected. I'm just holding Boots up right now. See? What a freaking menace. Look how perfectly this fits. It fits right there, perfectly. But if one of the goats is right here, right over the side of the gate.
I say we
can cut this right here.
Yeah.
And now the reason for all this building is because goats, if you didn't know, they're just like little kids. They like change. They like when things are different, and this enclosure's been the same for a while. So today, we decided to do a little extra to it. So I got a whole new plank right here to walk on, and it looks good from over here too, as you can see. And then over here, they have the plank that Boots was just on, this one as well. And then I also, finally, these were always like falling over and they'd have to just go up the stairs on that side. Now this is all drilled in as well, so they're fully good to go. You see, having a farm comes with a lot of responsibility, and today's responsibility is goats. So now we got our drill, and we're gonna cut this a little bit shorter than what it is, because I seriously see them jumping from there out of the enclosure. Boots especially.
Battery.
It's dying. It's dying. We have a little bit more. Come on, baby, go. Oh. Come on.
before it died.
Boots is the best. Thank you so much for watching today's video. We built the pig house, got a new fish, and built some epic stuff for the goats. It's just one of them farm days. Subscribe if you're new, smash the like button, of course, and Boots, hey, Boot. After all that hard work, he just betrays me like that. How could he? I'll see you in the next one. Peace.